In this video, I will show you exactly how to customize and change the default localization language for your text formats within Typeform. If you have been looking for a way to make your forms feel more personal and accessible to a global audience, adjusting these settings is the perfect place to start. Whether you are building a survey for international clients or just want to ensure your buttons and system messages match your brand's native tongue, the process is incredibly straightforward and only takes a few moments of your time. To get started, you first need to open the specific form you wish to edit and look over at the right-hand sidebar toolbar. In this section, you will see a variety of icons, but you want to find and click on the Settings icon, which is represented by a gear asset. Once the Settings menu opens up, you will see several different categories to choose from across the top. Go ahead and select the General tab to access the core configuration options for your project. Inside this menu, you can easily locate the Language drawdown menu, which houses all the available linguistic options. Typeform is quite powerful in this regard, offering over 30 natively supported configurations that automatically translate system text like buttons, hints, and error messages for you. Simply scroll through the list and select your target language from the diverse options provided. After you have made your selection, it is very important to finalize the changes so they take effect on your live form. Just click the Save button at the bottom of the interface to lock in your new settings. Now, your form will reflect the correct grammar and formatting for your chosen region, providing a much smoother experience for all of your respondents around the world. It really is that easy to make your Typeform layout look professional in any language.